To give you an idea on how many pollywogs are in this pond, it's almost uncomprehendable. My guess is there's got to be close to 100,000. I'm almost inclined to move into the million number here, because what you see on the surface is not even half of what is actually in this pond, okay? But just to give you an idea on how many pollywogs we got in here. All right, I'm going to just move you around the pond a little bit. All right, here's Mother Frog. See, she's being a good mommy. Where is she? Can't see her. There she is. Look at Mother Frog protecting all those millions of pollywogs. I called them mud puppies in the video or something before that. Not mud puppies, pollywogs. I don't know why I said that. But they're everywhere, guys. They are literally everywhere. Look at them all. I can't see in my lens, so it's hard for me to tell what you're actually seeing. But they're literally filled. They're mostly near the edges of the pond, like over there. You'll see them by the millions. Thousands, we'll say. I like saying millions, though. And look at all of them. It looks like black pepper. All along the edges. Okay. Goldfish been eating as many as they could. They're full. You could tell they're full because they're coming up for air. They are stuffed like pigs. See, all along the edges. All along the edge. Look at them all. Millions. Millions upon millions. Look at them. And then if I just go into the water a little bit here, you can see them swimming all over the water. It's incredible how many of these things there actually are. It's uncomprehendable. I mean, this place is going to be completely filled with frogs. And believe me when I tell you, there are plenty of frogs in there. Just like that big fat one right there. That's one of the mothers. She's a big mama. That's a big mama right there. Yeah, she's watching her pollywogs. All right, she's one of them. Over here is another one. That's not a mama. That's just a little one. That's one of the little ones. And we have one over, where are you? Hard to pull them in frame. Somewhere over here. Where are you? Right in there. You can't see him. There it is. That's another one. That's a little one. And of course there's Mama over there. She's watching all the little pollywogs. And we got a couple spectators down here. We got one there. He's spectating. And his brother is right there. Now I don't know if they're eating their own. They might be eating some of them. I mean, there's so many of these things, guys, it's ridiculous. Literally hundreds upon hundreds of them. Thousands should I say. There's thousands of them. I mean, you can see them swimming. The entire pond is filled with them right now. And what's good about these pollywogs, believe it or not, you can't really see it on camera. It still probably looks like dirty water to you. But it cleared up a lot. Yes, I am filtering it a lot. I clean the filter out now. It's not running now because I don't have solar, because the sun very rarely comes out these days. It only comes on when it's sunny out because the batteries can't charge. So it's not running because the batteries are dead. The pollywogs are eating all the micro things in the water, the algae, and all the other microorganisms and stuff in the water right now. So they're doing a tremendous amount of work, believe it or not. They are really soaking up a lot of stuff that's in here that got to come out anyway. And they're just really doing a number on them. Here, I'm going to bring you over to here right now. Give you an idea on what these things look like right up close and personal. Look at that. Damn, I can't see. I can't tell what you're looking at here. What's the matter with this? There are just so many of them, guys. It's unbelievable. Look at them all. Hundreds. I'm telling you, there's got to be well over 100,000 of these things in here. I mean, they're just everywhere. I don't know how many eggs an average frog lays. I'm assuming they lay probably, I don't know, 5,000 to 10,000 eggs per frog, you know, when they do their thing. So I'm assuming there were 6 mating pairs. If they're doing 10,000 eggs, there's got to be at least 60,000 eggs that were laid. But from what I could see, it could be even more than that. I mean, there's a lot. This ain't even counting what's in my filter right now. My filter picked up a whole bunch of them because they swim. The whole entire pond is covered with them. I'm trying to get you up close without getting blurry. I can't. I got to clean the lens on here because I cannot see what you're seeing. Just incredible. Look at that bat mass over there. It's beautiful to watch this. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Alright, just a quick update on the pollywog, tadpole, whatever you want to call them. I call these little ones pollywogs, and I call tadpoles, the big ones, tadpoles. I call little ones pollywogs. I'm not sure if they're, like I said, from toads or from frogs or only frogs. I'm not sure if toads lay their eggs in here, and these are baby toads. Either or, I'm happy with what they're doing, with their breeding. And you can see the fish are trying to scoop them up. They're trying to eat them. There's that many of them in here. I'm going to go to the store tomorrow, and I'm going to pick up some more rosies, because I think most of the rosies are out. I think most of them died. There's only maybe 2. There's a baby one there. I'm going to pick up a bunch of more rosies and maybe a couple more goldfish. Hopefully, if I can come across some shiners or herrings, I'll pick some of them up as well, but I don't think you could get those too easily around here. But, alright. Just figured I would share my little pollywog adventure. See you on the next one.